Hey there. I'm Mary Ellen, and welcome to Life is Messy but I Am Learning as I Grow, where the crafts are colorful, the garden's a bit wild, and the recipes are always plant-based, and probably a little sticky. Around here, we're all about tasty vegan eats, fun DIY projects, dirt under the nails gardening, and family adventures that never go quite as planned, but always make great memories. If you're into learning new things, laughing through the chaos, and embracing the mess along the way, go ahead and tap that like button and subscribe. Let's grow together, one craft, crumb, and crazy moment at a time. I'm so glad you're here today because we're about to make the cutest little bird feeder, and the best part is, we're using things you probably already have at home. You can totally use a mug you already have, maybe that one in the back of the cupboard that never gets used, or you can score one super cheap at Dollar Tree, your local thrift shop, or Goodwill. This project is simple, affordable, and perfect for adding a little charm to your backyard while giving our feathered friends a sweet snack spot. Gather the following supplies: tea or coffee cup, saucer or small plate, epoxy super glue, jute rope, bird seed. To make your bird feeder, attach the mug to the saucer. Apply a generous amount of epoxy glue to the side of your coffee mug and press it firmly against the saucer. Tilt the mug slightly so it looks like it's pouring onto the plate. You'll need to hold it in place or carefully secure it. Masking tape works great, until the glue starts to set. Let it sit undisturbed for a full 48 hours to ensure a strong, weather-resistant bond. This part is optional, but you may want to consider decorating. If you want to add a personal touch, now's the time to paint your mug and saucer or decorate with outdoor-safe embellishments. Just make sure everything you use is weatherproof and non-toxic for the birds. Then add the rope for hanging. Once the glue is fully cured, cut a length of sturdy rope or twine and thread it through the handle of the mug. Bring the ends of the rope together and tie a secure knot above the mug to create a loop for hanging. Make sure the knot is tight and the feeder hangs evenly so it doesn't tip when birds land on it. Now the fun part: add. Once everything is dry and secure, fill the saucer with birdseed, hang your new feeder on a sturdy branch or hook, and enjoy watching your feathered friends stop by for a snack. The hardest part for me was waiting for birds to find my feeder. Be patient waiting for your feathered friends to arrive. Birds are creatures of habit. They tend to visit the same feeding spots over and over, so it takes time for them to notice and trust a new one. Think of your feeder like a new restaurant in town. It takes a little word of beak before the regulars show up. They rely on sight to find food. Birds find feeders visually, not by smell. It can take a few days, or even a couple of weeks, for a bird to spot your feeder from above or while flying by. Your feeder needs to feel safe. Birds won't visit if they feel exposed to predators or too much noise. Make sure your feeder is in a quiet spot with nearby trees or shrubs for cover. They like to have an escape plan. It's all about the timing. Birds' feeding patterns can vary by time of day and season. Some species may be migrating or simply not active in your area right now. Keep your feeder out consistently, and you'll eventually catch them during their snack runs. It's a trust thing. Once birds realize your feeder is a reliable, safe food source, they'll come back and bring friends. It just takes a little time to build that bird buffet reputation. Thanks for hanging out with me today and getting a little crafty with our coffee mug bird feeder. I hope you had as much fun as I did. If you give this project a try, let me know how it turns out and if the neighborhood birds give it 2 wings up. Around here, the crafts are colorful, the garden's a little wild, and yes, sometimes the glue ends up on the cat. If you love learning new things, laughing through the chaos, and making a mess in the name of creativity, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Let's keep growing, one DIY project, glue glob, and giggle at a time. I hope you have a very, very good day. See you next time.